Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome back to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to customize or add templates or canned responses in your Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so in order for you to add a template or a canned response, you'll need to click on compose. And for example, I want my template to be like this. Thank you for reaching out. I'll call you in a minute. Okay, so after you've written or typed your template, click this three dots right here at the bottom part and then click templates and save draft as template, save as new template and add a template in, for example, call in a minute, and then click save. And as you can see, you already have a template, which is the call in a minute. So for example, I want to reply on a message like this one. Just click reply and then select the three dots, click the templates here and then click call in a minute. So as you can see, my canned response or my template response is shown here and just click send. So that's it, basically it. So if you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel gmailfiend for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!